What if I told you a simple digit sum trick can solve puzzles in seconds that leave most people stuck? Before you grab a calculator, try this challenge. Pause the video, think carefully, and see if you can beat the solution. The answer is much simpler than it looks. Today we will start lecture lesson 3, lecture 4, and we will discuss a topic whose name is digit sum. Digit sum puzzles. Digit sum puzzles. Okay, and we will solve many puzzles about digit sum puzzles. Okay, so here this is new topic about digit sum, and we will go through many examples to understand this topic. Here is first example, and after that two and third and fourth etc. So we will solve first example to understand this method. Okay, so now we will start learning this method by this example. Okay, here the first puzzle is the digit sum of a two figure number. Two figure number. We have two figure number. Okay, we have to note two figure number. Yes, and whose digit sum is 8. The digit sum of a two figure number is 8. Here is given that digit sum of two figure number, and this two figure number has the digit sum is of 8. Okay, so here digit sum is given. Digit sum is given 8. Okay, and figures are this. One condition is also given. One other fact is also given. Here first fact is digit sum is 8. Digit sum is here it's 8, and figures are same. Other factor is figures are same. Means digits are same. What will be the answer? So digits are same. Yes, digits are same. This sum is 8. We have to find two figure number. Can you think what will be the answer of two figure number which has digit sum 8 and whose digits are same? Whose figures are same? What will be the answer? Think in your mind and give the answer. Okay. So here we know here is 8. Two figure number is we think 4 4. If we have 4 plus 4, we get 8. The digit sum of this 44 is 8. Also here digits are same. Here is 4, here is 4. So here are two digits 44. In 44 there are two digits of both are same. So one condition is satisfied, and we have to check. We have to check who is this have a digit sum of 8. Okay, so then we have to calculate 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Also second condition is also satisfied. So here is digit sum of the number is 44. The answer will be 44 because digits are same. One condition is satisfied. Other condition is digit sum will will be will be of 8. Okay, so here we have to add 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So here also digit sum also 8. Okay, this is the final answer. I think you have understand this method easily. Here you notice in the first example digit sum are given, and one condition is also given about that number. Here two conditions are given: digit sum, also other fact about the number, and we have to find number. Which number? Two figure number. Okay, here we have to find two figure numbers, and we have to move next example to understand this method with curiosity. Okay, so now here is Second example. Here is digit sum of a two-figure number is 9. So here digit sum, what is the digit sum in this question? In this example, what is the digit sum are given? What is the digit sum? What is the digit sum given by this question? So here digit sum is 9 or number is of two-figure number. Okay, so we have to note this condition. Digit sum here is 9. Okay, 9. And one condition is given. What condition? First figure. Okay, here okay, here is first figure. First figure is twice the second. ये है condition. Okay, first figure. First figure. Here are two figure. Here are two figure. First one is first one. First figure is twice of. First figure is twice of second. Okay, so we have our digit sum is 9. What is the number? What is the number? So can you think about the number? I think you are able to think about the number. What will be the answer? So here answer will be think digit sum will be of 9 first condition and first figure twice of second. Okay, so we have to find if here are two figure number, first figure and second figure. What will be put answer here? Two figure number. So here we made two boxes to understand easily. Here two figure number. Here I made two boxes here. Okay, two boxes here. I made two boxes here. So first box means first figure, and here is place for second figure. So we put here, if we put 3, so twice of 3 will be twice of 3. Okay, twice of 3. Twice of 3 is equal to 2, 2, 3 जा 6. 6 होगा. So 3, 6. Here is second place number, second figure. First figure is, here is first figure is 6. The first figure is twice of second figure. So here 6, 3, and the twice of 3 is 6, which is written in the place of first figure. So here we get number 63. Okay, so we have to check this number is satisfying all the conditions which are given in the question. So here first condition is given, digit sum will be 9. So here we have to add 6 plus 3. 6 and 3 we have to add up these numbers. So 6 plus 3 will be 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so here this sum is correct. Digit sum is according to the given condition of the question. And second condition is first figure. First figure is twice of second. So here you can see easily. The first figure here is 6, which is twice of second. All the conditions are satisfied here. So we have solved this puzzle. Okay, we have learned this method. Okay, this is some puzzle. Okay, so you have solved two puzzle for understanding this method. Okay, so we have to move on the third. Okay, you have to make curiosity in yourself to solve puzzles. In puzzles, and we are solving puzzles, so we have curiosity. So that type of curiosity will be here. Okay, So then we have to move for the third puzzle. Okay, here is third puzzle. We have to give we have to give three two figure numbers that have digit sum of three. So we have to given three digit numbers. Okay, we have to give three digit number. No, we have to give two digit number. Okay, demand of this question. This question demands are we have to write two digit numbers, and the condition is given in the question given as follows. Digit sum is 3. Okay, digit sum is here is digit sum is 3. Okay, so we have to take care about this condition while writing the answer. Okay, so then think in your mind and give the answer in the comment. Okay. Mm. Digit sum, the digit sum is 3. The first we have two, here is two figure number. The first figure number which have three digit sum, give the answer. First two figure number whose has digit sum is 1. What will we will add is this one 3? No, 2. We have to make this condition. Okay, we have to write here 2. So here we get number 12. If we add this 1 and 2 in this 12, in this number 12, there are two figures, there are two digits. When we add these two figures, 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so here digit sum is okay, here digit sum is 3. So this condition is satisfied here. We find the other solution of this number. If we replace these digits, okay, so then here we place 2 in the place of first and 1 in the place of second. This sum will be same, the number will be different. And okay, so here we replace these numbers, so we get number 21. The first number is 12 and second number is 21. Okay, and we have to find only three numbers. Okay, not more than 3. So we have to satisfy only demand of the question, necessity of the question. Okay, so 3 number. After that what will be the number after 21 which have which has digit sum 3? Okay, if we add this, okay, after that if you are thinking about the number, this will be 30 because here is digits are 3 and 0. If we add 3 and 0, we get answer 3. Okay, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, and answer is satisfied here. Okay, answer is also satisfied here in this condition. So we get three examples. Okay, which satisfy this condition. So we have solved the three puzzles to understand this method. So now we have okay. I think you are capable of solving this puzzle. Okay, only we have given two conditions here. Digit sum. Okay, and other condition is other fact about the puzzle. Okay, these two conditions will help solving the puzzle, finding the two figure number. Okay, so here practice question. Here digit sum. Digit sum is 5. Here digit sum is 5, and other factor is difference between the figure is 3. The figures here will be figures has difference of 3. So we have to find number of answer. How many answers are available in this question, and find the two figure number. Okay, these two answers we have to find. Okay, digit sum will be 5. The difference between the figures is 3. Difference will be the figure 3, or digit sum will be 5. Can you think about the number? Can you solve this puzzle? I think you can solve this puzzle. So you have to take time and solve the puzzle. Okay. So let's solve this question. I have given a proper time to solve the question. Okay, so to solve the puzzle, then we have to move about for the solution. So then condition is here are the conditions are given here. Digit sum is 5. So we have to maintain digit sum 5, and difference between figures is 3. Difference the figures has the figures have difference of 3. So we have to maintain, we have to careful about this at also. So we have two conditions. Using these two conditions, we have to find a two figure number and the number of answers also. Okay. So if we think here two figure number starts from 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here is first place. First figure is 1. First figure is 1. First figure is 1 in the starting. So we have to put first figure. Okay. We have to put first figure. First figure is fixed 1. Okay. If then we have to what we will put on the second place here to get digit sum 5 and the difference between these figure of 3. So what we will put? Okay, if we add this one 3, so we get 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. If we put this 4 on this place, on the second figure place, okay, so we get 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. The digit sum here is 5. Also 14, the number we get 14. If we 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 find difference between these two figures by minus the bigger figure from minus the small figure from big figure. Okay, the 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here two conditions are satisfied. Digit sum 5, here is digit sum is 5. Also difference between these figures 1 and 4 is equal to 3. Okay, so then here is first answer. If we replace these places, if we replace the places of figures, okay, here is first figure, here is second figure, first figure, second figure, first figure, second figure. Okay, we place replace these figures place from each other. Okay, the 4 is put in the place of 1, and 1 is put in the place of 4. So then digit sum will be same, also difference will be same. The conditions are satisfied properly here. So then here we write answer 4 1. Okay. So here we get 41, 41 and 40. Here is two answers. Here are two answers, 14 and 41. 14 and 41. So here number of solution, number of answers here is 2, and two figure numbers. Here two figure numbers are 14 and 41. So we get answer of this question, answer of this puzzles also. We can use, we can see, okay, and we can understand this figure, okay. We will solve another puzzle for understanding this method. These are some puzzles. Okay. So here next puzzle. Here is the next puzzle. This is next puzzle. Here conditions are given 6 and other conditions are given. Figures are the same. Okay, figures are the same. Our digit sum is 3, 6. Digit sum is 6. Our figures are the same. How will you solve? Find the number of answers. Also find two figure numbers. These are conditions are given in the question, and these are demand which is required by the question. Okay, then how will you solve? Okay, so I think we have solved this type of question. Okay, then here is digit sum 6. Also figures are same. We can make, it's your choice. This is for visualization. Okay, here are two figure numbers. First figure will be here and the second figure will be here. Okay, this is for example not. This is not answer. So here what will be the 6? If we have 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 here is 33. Okay, here are same figure, here same figure 3 3. This condition is satisfied also. If we add these 3 plus 3, we get answer 6. Here this sum also 6 and figures also same. So the answer will be here 3 also 3, 33. You can say 33. Yes, here is the answer of this question, answer of this puzzle. Yes, so we have to move on the next puzzle to understand this matter. Okay. After solving, I think you have habitual of this question on of this type of puzzles on solving. So this is here are so we have to move to digit sum is 6. Other factor जो factor is here as factor is given. First figure is double the second. First figure is double the second. Yes, first figure is double the second. So then we made here two boxes for first figure. This is for second figure. Okay, for first figure and this is for second figure. Yes, here digit sum is 6. Here is okay. Here is first figure. Here is two boxes here for first figure. This is for second figure. So then here condition is given. First figure is double of the second. So here we write first second figure. Okay, second figure. Then double this second figure and put that answer on the first figure. Or this will be according to the digit sum 6. Okay, because we have to maintain this condition, also this condition. Yes, what we will do, first figure is double the second. If we put here 2, if we put here 2, right, if we put here we will put here 2 and double this 2. So double of this 2, what will be double of this 2? So we have to multiply this 2 with this 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. Okay, we will write this here 4. Okay, so here our number is 42. Here is number is 42. If we so here condition is satisfied, that fact is satisfied here, because this first figure is double of this second figure. Okay, so here is 4 is double of 2. So this condition is satisfied, and we have to check the digit sum. If we add this 4 and 2, 4 plus 2, okay, 4 plus 2, then 4 plus 2 will be 6. 4 plus 2 will be 6. So here is this sum, here is given digit sum is 6. Also, we have correct this sum also 6. So here is this sum of this 6. Yes, again, if we replace these number, this figure is placed on the place of first figure, and the first figure is placed on the place of second figure. So why applying this condition? Digit sum will be same, but this condition will not satisfy. Okay, will not satisfy, because 2 will be here and 4. So here 4, the double of this 4 will not be here. Okay, double of this 4 will not be here. So answer is only this 42. Okay, answer will be this 42. So write this answer. Yes, and number of answers here is 1. So here is only one answer because this second condition is not satisfied. If we satisfy this condition, but other condition is not satisfied. If we satisfy this condition, this condition is not satisfied. So we have to satisfy what condition due to which we get only one answer. Okay. So we have to move for the. I think you can understand this problem. So we have to move on the next example, next puzzle. Okay. I think you are enjoying this lecture, this amazing lecture. Here is given digit sum is 5. Digit sum is 5. Other fact is here is figures are consecutive. Here is this term is used here consecutive. Consecutive means numbers are in the continuous way. Okay. So I have to explain this consecutive term. Okay. Consecutive term. If we have number 2, after this 2, what will come? After this 2 will be 3. After this 3, what will come? After this 3 will come 4. 4 will come. After this 4, what will come? After this 4, 5 will come. Okay. So here is these are in the way of consecutive. You can see 2 and 3 are consecutive. 3 and 4 are consecutive. 4 and 5 are consecutive because after 2 only 3 will come. Okay, so here 2 and 3 are consecutive. And we can say just opposite 3 and 2 also consecutive. 3 and 2 also consecutive. If we have 10, so after 10, which number will come? Which number will come? After this 10, 11 will come. So here 10 and 11. 10 and 11 are consecutive numbers. Okay, because okay, and if 10 and 12 are consecutive number, if we can say just opposite 11 and 10 also consecutive numbers. Okay, also consecutive numbers. So I think you have understand consecutive term. Okay, so we have to move this about this for solving this puzzle. Yes. So then how we will solve this puzzle? Okay, the figures are consecutive. Number of answers and two digit number. Here digit sum is 5. The first condition is digit sum is 5 and figures are consecutive. Okay, figures are consecutive, digits are consecutive. Yes, so what will be the answer? We have to find this. If we put 2, what number which number will come after this 2? So 3 will come. There is 23. If we add figures of this numbers, digits of this number, to 2 plus 3, so we get the answer 5. So we get the digit sum of this number 5. So here this condition is satisfied. So as 2 and 3, 2 and 3, here 2 and 3 are consecutive. Okay, because just after 2, 3 will come, and the digit sum of 2 and 3 will be 5. So here both conditions are satisfied. Here what conditions are satisfied? So here first answer will be 23. If we, okay, 23, and if we replace first figure by second and second figure by first. Okay, so if we say, we can say 32. Here is 23 and 32. So we get two answer here. Okay, 23 and 32 because these numbers are consecutive. Okay, also these numbers have digit sum 5. Okay, these numbers have digit sum 5. So I think here in number of answer is 2 because here is 23 and 24. So we have to write the answer 23 and 32. Okay, these are answers. Number of answers here 2. Yes, which are 23 and 32. I think you have understand you have understand how to solve digit sum puzzle. Okay, so here are some practice questions you have to solve in your on your home. Okay, if you have any doubt about these questions, okay, you can take a screenshot and solve the question. Also you can solve here by watching the video. Okay, so you have to take you can take you can pause the video and take the screenshot and solve the question. And I am showing the next questions also, which can you solve that question. Okay, here is next question. You have to take the screenshot of this question. Okay, the screenshot of this question. Yes, here is D. Okay, here is E. Here is F. Take a screenshot and solve these questions. If you have any query about solving these questions, you can you can comment this. You can comment me and comment this solve query question, and I will make the solution of that. I will make explanation video for those questions. Okay, if you comment me. Yes, and here is next questions. Okay, these all are questions you have to solve to make your mind sharper. Okay, take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Yes, if you solved this puzzle before the explanation, congratulations. You have got a sharp mathematical mind. If not, don't worry. Every puzzle you solve makes you better at spotting patterns. Comment your answers and tell me how long it took you. If you enjoy brain teasers, digit tricks, and fun math puzzles, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because the next puzzle is even more challenging. See you in the next video. Okay.